By default, the slash key acts as a shortcut to the Excel menu bar. But if you would like to disable this so that you may use the slash character within your Microsoft Excel, you can watch this video tutorial to learn how. So to start, launch your Microsoft Excel, select the File tab, and choose Options from the left categories. Then, choose Advanced on the left pane and scroll down until you see the Lotus Compatibility section. Now under the Microsoft Excel menu key field, replace the slash key with a character that you do not use frequently, such as the grave accent, or you can also use a tilde. Or you can also leave it blank if you would like, then select OK. Once done, this will make the slash character available to type in an Excel spreadsheet. So that's how to enable the slash key in the Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.